Hello everyone, friends, dear TIT guys. I welcome you all in BCE lecture number 4, Types of Reports, presented by Professor Dr. Eknath Patil, Assistant Professor, St. John College of Engineering and Management, Palghar. I welcome you all once again in this topic, Types of Reports. Friends, basically there are 4 types of reports. Before proceeding to types of reports and understanding reports, let us understand the learning objectives. Understanding the nature and importance of reports, knowing the different types of reports, and these 4 different types of reports are as follows. Let us make distinction between the informational and analytical report, routine and special report, oral and written report, formal and non-formal reports. Basically, there are these 4 types of reports, and we have made a distinction between the two. It means there are 8 types of reports. They are informational reports, analytical reports, routine reports, special reports, oral reports, written reports, formal reports, and non-formal reports. So what is meant by an informational reports? Friends, I hope you know the word information. From the word information, we have informational, the adjective of the noun information. What is this? An informational report. Let us make it clear. An informational report presents facts of a case, problem, condition, or situation without any analysis, interpretations, or recommendations. In this type of report, the report writer has to collect, compile, and organized facts for the target readers. I hope you know the term target readers. Who are these target readers? Generally, there are 3 people involved in target reader or target audience. They are the big boss, the head of the institute, and maybe your colleague. An informational report is usually presented in an objective way. I hope, friends, you understand the difference between objective and subjective nature of report writing. Objective writing usually deals with factual information only. Means while writing a report in an objective style, the report writer has to give factual details of a case, problem, situation, etc. While writing an informational report, only the relevant information should be gathered and presented in a systematic and organized way. What are the examples of an informational reports? Here are the examples like conference reports, seminar reports, trip reports, etc. Now let us make a distinction and differentiation between an informational report and an analytical report. As I stated you, from the word information, we have informational. In the same way, from the word analysis, we have analytical. So what is this analytical report? Let us understand. An analytical report presents data with interpretation and sound analysis done by the report writer. While writing the analytical report, the report writer analyzes the facts of a case, problem, condition, or situation. All the information is presented in an objective style, as I stated you earlier, and put forward with conclusions inference, and recommendations. In this type of report writing, the report writer has to reflect broader understanding of the subject in order to comment it on the various aspects related to the report. The report writer has to evaluate information and make appropriate inferences while submitting an analytical report. Your report should be based on sound analysis, factual details, so that your boss or people in higher authority can understand the situation or a problem. After that, after getting your report, the detailed information, the superior authority may take an appropriate decision, and thus your problem may be solved. Project reports, feasibility reports, market reports, research reports are the examples of analytical reports. Now let us understand routine and special reports. I hope you know the word routine. It is also known as periodic, and you know the word special. Let us make it clear. All types of organizations depend on routine reports for various management decisions. Routine reports are usually prepared on a periodic basis, that is, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Routine reports may also be called as periodic reports. Routine reports may be informational or analytical depending on the purpose. Here are the examples of routine reports: daily production reports, monthly sales reports, annual reports, etc. Special reports or particular report. A special report is prepared and presented to convey special information related to a single condition, situation, problem, or occasion. Special reports do not contain routine or repetitive information, as they are the result of specific circumstances. Special reports could be either informational or analytical. Inquiry reports, research reports, theses, dissertations, etc. are the examples of special reports. Special reports are written when any organization is going to launch a particular product for its customers. At that time, terms and conditions, rules, regulations, and policies are stated in a special report. Now let us understand the difference between oral report and written report. Oral reports are informational, right, as they are based on face-to-face communication. Oral reports are informal in nature and face-to-face presentation of information. Accidents, sales, presentations, joinings, etc. are the examples of oral reports. Oral reports are useful for presenting information related to the routine activities, project development, and so on. It is communicative in nature. That's why it is called as oral report. Written reports. Written reports are more conventional than oral reports. Most of business and technical reports use written mode of presentation because the organizations need to maintain proper record for future use and references. Written reports are used for future prospects or further evaluation of a particular project. Project reports, progress reports, research reports, etc. are the examples of written reports. Now let us understand the difference between formal and non-formal reports. I hope you understand that report writing is a formal way of communication. Friends, if you are writing a research paper, a project proposal, thesis, dissertation, you have to accept or you have to select formal format of manuscript format of your report, right? Reports can be formal or informal depending on their nature, scope, and length. A formal report is usually the result of a thorough investigation of a problem, condition, or situation. Formal reports are comparatively longer and need elaborate description and discussions. Formal reports usually follow a fixed format with a predetermined elements according to the information presented. Annual reports of an organization, of a company, technical reports, project reports are the examples of formal reports. Now, let us discuss about non-formal reports. Non-formal reports could be a brief account of a specific business or professional activity. It is usually written to provide introductory information about a routine affair. Non-informational reports are usually short and do not need elaborate descriptions and discussions. Laboratory reports, daily production reports, trip reports, etc. are the examples of non-formal reports. In this type, the data is analyzed to persuade readers. And friends, persuading is one of the skills. Writing is one of the skills and arts. Friends, I insist you to inculcate this writing art. In future, whatever profession you are going to purchase, doesn't matter. It is you to go through report writing, email writing, proposal writing, office drafting, letter writing, etc. Therefore, it is the need of our to understand business communication and ethics. I hope you must have enjoyed this online lecture. Thank you for your interest and time. Thank you, friends. See you in next time in the coming lecture.